I will now show the skill assisting a client to get on the bedpan. This skill is performed on a live person, but for training purposes only today, I'm going to use the mannequin because I don't have a live volunteer. I will now begin the skill. Well, I'm washing my hands. Hi, Miss Jane. My name is Miss Rice, and I'm going to get you on the bedpan today. While I'm getting everything set up, can you confirm your name and your date of birth for me, please? Okay, alrighty. Go ahead and get everything set up. Gonna make sure your bed is locked and make sure your head is all the way down because your head has to be flat. I'm gonna pull the curtain for privacy, and I will now put on my gloves. Alrighty. The bedpan will go under the client with the widest end up towards the buttocks, or under the buttocks. So what I do is I just lift the cover over a little bit. Move the call bell out of the way if it's in that hand. On a live person, you can ask them to bend their knees and lift their hips, and it will be easy to get under there. Miss Jane, the count of 3, could you please lift your hips for me? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put her on the bedpan and then cover her up. I will then walk over and take my gloves off. I will wash my hands. All right, Miss Jane, I'm gonna lift your head up a little bit. You tell me when to stop. You tell me when this feels good. Okay. All right, I'm gonna give you your call bell so you can buzz me. As soon as you're done, I'm just gonna be right there, okay? I'm gonna also give you, and put this where you can reach it, the tissue. This is for you to wipe yourself. And this cloth is for you to clean your hands, okay? You just buzz me when you're done. Okay, you're all done? All righty. Let me go ahead and put my next set of gloves on. I'll go ahead and move this out of the way. I'll go ahead and let her head down because she has to be flat when I'm putting her on the bedpan and when I'm taking her off. Okay, go ahead and move this call bell out of the way so I can get the bedpan out. Now on the count of 3, if you can lift your hips for me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pick everything up because I have to now dispose of it. And I'll be right back, Miss Jane. As I'm going up the hallway in our facility, you're going to dump the contents of the bedpan in the toilet. I'm going to then go over and place the tissue on the dirty designated area. I'm going to then rinse this out, dump it in the toilet again, and then place it in the dirty designated area. So I'll do that now. I'll dump it. You do not dry out the bedpan, so then I'll place this on the dirty designated area. I'll then remove my gloves, throw it in the trash. I will say that I'm washing my hands and I'll go back to do my closing. All right, Miss Jane, I'm all done. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten your room up, put this table back and lock your bed. I'm gonna open your curtain back up. Make sure, again, that your bed is locked and lowered. I'm gonna give you your call bell. Do you need anything before I go? Okay, I'll be back to check on you in 2 hours, okay? Thank you. I'm washing my hands and I'm now done with this skill.